OccuNet made its name in the collegiate and sports world originally, so we really understand the unique needs of athletes. We work hand in hand with our clients and schools to deliver tailored solutions that serve these athletes best. We know that what works for one school or program doesn't always work for another, and so we truly look at every entity uniquely to really find the best approach for care and what works for their program. Our contracting team trains and practices peer negotiations. They shadow tenured contractors for 4 to 6 months before they ever pick up the phone, just to make sure that they're ready to take on negotiations and build those relationships in the OccuNet way. This builds a team that's relentlessly focused on simplifying what can be really complex medical contracting, all while building long-standing provider relationships, ensuring access to care at the best rates that are fair for providers and payers. OccuNet is helping sports institutions control ever-rising healthcare costs by negotiating directly with providers to build high-performance, transparent networks that are tailored to each organization's needs. We really don't believe in one-size-fits-all solutions. Instead, we focus on aligning the goals of providers and these sports institutions, which ensure fair, sustainable pricing without sacrificing access or quality. Our proactive approach preserves strong relationships with both local and regional medical providers while giving athletic programs the predictability and savings they need to reinvest in their athletes. It isn't just about cutting costs, but it's about doing it in the right way. So since the beginning, OccuNet's provider strategy has always focused on relationships rather than a volume-based discount model. But over the last 15 years, we've been able to bring in our own technology and develop in-house analytic models that really allow us to enter these negotiations with some data-informed backing that ensures fair compensation for providers and meaningful savings for our clients. We've moved beyond just negotiating better rates, but we're really aligning with providers around better outcomes for them and better patient experiences. Our goal is to create sustainable ecosystems where everyone wins, not just in terms of price, but in trust, transparency, and long-term performance. Really, our success comes down to focus, flexibility, and follow-through. While others take a broad, templated approach, we get to stay niche and specialized because we've come to find that that's what our clients need and expect. We're really invested in the unique needs of our sports institutions and other organizations. For example, we're the only cost containment organization that successfully negotiates coordination of benefits claims because we really understand how this impacts our athletic programs, and so we've been able to educate providers on how this affects them as well as the programs and their funding. Our provider relationships aren't transactional. They're built on years of trust and mutual respect because we work with them to understand what their challenges are too. Because of this, our providers really trust us to help educate them and solve problems for all players involved. This expertise and experience has really allowed us to develop even more consultative solutions beyond just fee negotiation. They allow us to relieve the administrative burden for our clients, from hunting down EOBs or other medical documentation that they need to process their claims, to helping with injury management. Really, we listen first, we customize second, and then we execute relentlessly. We always stay nimble and flexible so that if something doesn't work, we're able to listen to our clients and pivot. That, combined with our data transparency, white glove service, and the ability to adapt quickly to shifting market demands, have really made us stand out as a true whole solution for our clients. I want the world to know that OccuNet's not just another healthcare company. We're a trusted partner solving some of the most complex problems in sports and employer healthcare. We're driven by purpose, powered by data, and built on relationships. We wouldn't be where we were if it were for our clients and their willingness to really work alongside us and help figure this out together. Each claim we touch reflects our commitment to doing right by the client, the member, and the provider. We're here to change the game, not just with savings, but with integrity, innovation, and service that really sets us apart.